Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today we will be going for an overnight camping trip organized by ASB, an organization from NJIT, and we will be going and volunteering over there. So let's go. So guys, we just reached college and from here we will be going in a bus to the camp. So guys, we just got ready. These are the shirts we got for the volunteering activity.
Yeah.
Yep. Om is here. Ryan.
What time are we leaving? Is there gonna be like an introduction thing?
I don't know. So guys, we're gonna board the bus right now. Let's go in. So guys, we just boarded the bus right now. Who's here?
भाई मुझे बोला ही नहीं कि volunteer करना है.
The partner.
Armeet is here. Armeet. Vibha. Ryan is here. Ryan. So guys, this is how the place looks. So guys, we just reached the camp. We're getting out of the bus.
Yes.
Yep. So guys, we just reached the camp and I'll show you guys around. It's pretty cool. So guys, now we'll be entering the camp. Let's go in. So guys, we just entered. This is how it is. This is a shop where we can buy t-shirts and this is the main entrance over here. This is the canteen. So guys, this is how the main entrance looks. There's so many posters over here and over there food is being served. So guys, in this volunteering we gotta do any of these, so we'll be divided into groups and these are our tasks.
Your like go-to event after
So this is the orientation.
Okay, so we're excited you guys are here. Lunch is at 12:30. Alright, so you guys be back here at 12:30 for lunch. We got pizza, salad, hummus.
So guys, now we're getting our stuff, all our responsibilities for the camp.
This all goes to every.
So guys, now we got the responsibility to do trails and now we'll be going and doing it.
Got 3 leaf rakes, a hard rake there. Maybe you might want to grab like one of the pitchforks just in case. And here's like pruning shears. Maybe grab one handsaw in case it's a little bit thicker. And then if you got someone who can bring the blower up to help blow some of the lighter stuff, I'll show you how to use this real quick. So to start it.
Okay, team lead, introduction.
Hi, my name's Nidhi. I just met these guys, but
Yeah, you've done it before, right?
yeah, I've done this before.
Yeah.
I was with her last year.
Yeah, she was.
Co-lead, I guess.
Totally, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So guys, officially day 1 of the trek has started. Or we can say camping. We're going for our volunteering right now. Are you guys excited? Vibha? Ryan? It looks like an adventure. Guys, this is my tool which I'll be using. And this is how this place looks. There's wood over there and this is the trail. So guys, this is our group over here. We're going on a trek to go and volunteer. So we're just clearing up all the dry leaves and putting it to the side. Okay. Ready?
Am I blocking anyone?
Okay guys, where to next?
I feel like we should go over there.
We just keep going straight.
Bruh.
I see.
What?
You messed up the
Nice.
We're supposed to all look at what I put.
There's nothing there, buddy.
No, but like, Valentine says, where do we go next? I say over the horizon.
Over the horizon. You see like Luffy anime style?
बिहारी काका लग रहे हो तुम.
Hey, ये Ryan ने दिया है. Ryan gave me this, bro.
He looks like the
गलत साइड में डाल दिया तुम.
leave it.
Rana ji, आया मेरा ठाकुर.
ठाकुर जी.
Look at my axe. Not axe. My shovel.
Pitchfork.
And show you
His is a fake. Mine is good. Chota hai.
This is like the Home Alone.
Yeah,
Shower, yeah.
defense too. We're the only ones not working here.
Guys, my tool just broke. Look at it.
How sad are you?
Yeah, I'm really sad. My tool broke in middle of work and now I can't do anything, so I'm just vlogging.
Do you want my tools used?
No, I'm good. So guys, at this point I'm just spectating people doing work.
Okay, bad. That's good.
People are doing such good hard work. So guys, this camp is called Camp Hoover and I'll show you guys around it. So guys, this is how the camp looks. Camp Hoover. Look at all the woods and look at the dry leaves over here. It's crazy. So guys, after work we're gonna go and eat lunch now. And now we'll be heading back to the camp. So guys, Ryan made us the path by using the blower. Ryan,
Yes, sir.
you made us the path, right?
Yeah, I'm meeting guys a path with the floor.
Yeah, so cool, right? So guys, we are back at the camp. This is our camp over here. This is a seating area and this is how it looks. All our bags are over here at this side. So guys, we're gonna keep all our stuff back that we used.
I'm gonna get new gloves.
Look at that. My stuff broke. Look at it. Yep. So guys, we are back at the camp for lunch. Lunch will be served in a few minutes from now. So guys, for lunch we have pizza and some salad.
Plate.
So guys, this is the lunch. Pizza, some pickles, hummus and nachos. So guys, we just finished lunch and now we'll be going for work, back to work. So guys, do you know why are we clearing up the path for the trek? Because we are gonna do a night trek today and I think it's gonna be really fun. Around 8 PM I guess we're gonna go on a trek and let's see how that is. So guys, right now after lunch we are going back to doing our work. I'm gonna do the cutting of small branches. So guys, now everyone is doing work after lunch. They're so energetic, right? So guys, now we're gonna go to the dorm to keep our bag and all of our stuff. And I'll show you guys the dorm, how it looks. So guys, we finally reached our cabin. It looks something like this from outside. So guys, this is how the dorm looks from in. Do you need help? These are the beds over here. They're bunk beds.
Oh yes, guys, sit.
Look, Om is already sleeping.
Oh no!
So this place is located in Newton, a place in New Jersey itself, and it's pretty fun. It's really cool, and this place has a lake, and the camp is really fun. So guys, now we're gonna go to the lake. There's a lake close by over here, and we'll be going and checking it out. Look at the waterfront. Half of the river is, or you can say lake, is covered with ice. It's frozen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, the top's
Clearly.
So guys, we found a boat, a kayak.
It's not gonna. No. रुक, इसके बिना कहाँ जाएगा?
Yeah. Once I get in,
हाँ.
Ryan is reversing.
This side is fine. We just this way.
Look at that. He's kayaking.
Do it faster, do it faster. That's when you get the speed. What do you
Do it.
I hate this shit up.
oh shit, I learned this.
Guys, look at this view. This is the waterfront from top. So cool.
Okay, and then you take mine.
So guys, we just saw the waterfront and now we're heading back to the camp, and from there I think we'll eat dinner. So guys, this is for dinner. Mashed potato.
There's not mashed
Then-
potato, there's potato salad.
Yeah, potato salad, pickles, and I don't know the rest.
Coleslaw. Are you not eating sandwich?
What?
Are you not eating sandwich?
No. Guys, so now we're gonna go for s'mores. It's night.
Nice. You got a size. Yo, what are you doing? Just a size.
Guys, look at this prank.
That's why I'm so that was super.
So guys, right now it's s'mores night. There's a bonfire and
A nicely caramelized.
s'more. Yeah. What is in between it? What is in between it?
Chocolate, marshmallow, and graham cracker.
Nice.
Yeah, paranormal.
So guys,
Yeah.
we are going for a trek in the night.
This person's glowing. Look at the marker.
Look at the marker.
The camera's not getting it. Bro, take it using your phone. Use your phone, bro.
So guys, I just took bath and now we'll be going and playing some games outside with our friends. So let's go. So guys, they're just talking and playing some cards. And they too, they're playing Uno. So guys, look, they're playing some card game. Yo, what's the card game called?
Hair to slay.
What?
Hair to slay.
Oh, okay. I see. Nice. Good. So guys, that's it for day 1. I'll meet you guys tomorrow. So guys, it's day 2 and we're gonna go and see the sunrise. And it's around like 6 o'clock in the morning. And the sunrise is around at 7:11. So we're gonna go and see the sunrise. Guys, look at the sunrise.
Ice sheet. Look how hard. Throw it high. Throw it high and make it bounce on ice sheets.
So guys, we're back at our dorm after the sunrise. And now in a bit we'll go eat breakfast. So guys, this is for our breakfast. Apple cinnamon oats and Chobani yogurt, mango flavor. So guys, we just ate breakfast and now we'll be packing. So guys, we packed everything, as you can see over here. So guys, we packed all of our stuff and put it in the bus. Now we'll be boarding the bus in a bit. And yeah, I think that's it. Day 2 is about to end, and we really enjoyed this trip, and it was really fun. So guys, how do you like the trip?
It was
The
super
chai
fun.
is really good.
How's the cabin?
Really nice.
How's the cabin?
It was good.
Cabin was pretty sweet. I had a good sleep. I was cuddling with Aryan last night.
No.
Ryan said, go to sleep.
Yeah.
All
Sleep
three?
there.
All three
And
of you guys
then-
were just snoring.
And then we tried getting a marker to mark people's faces with different designs.
Then I
Very
can wake
fine
up
one.
this instantly and go back to sleep.
So guys, we're gonna board the bus right now. So guys, we just boarded the bus to leave to NJIT. So guys, we just reached NJIT and we are done with our trip. It was pretty good and we really enjoyed, all of us enjoyed. So guys, our trip ends here. The trip was really good. Camp Hoover actually was really fun. Everyone enjoyed, and yep, that's it for the vlog guys. I'll end it here. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.